Hi guys. I'm so excited. Okay, are you ready? Look what just came in the mail. You might be like, Miss Epi, what the heck is that? This is the solar system that I ordered. So we're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to do an unboxing of this solar system because guess what? We are starting on astronomy. Buckle in, guys. It's going to be a really fun unit, and we're going to start by unboxing the solar system. Okay, so this box is huge. Also, I love this box. It's so pretty. I love that they did this silver color. It fits in with the outer space theme and astronomy and solar system. So I'm really excited to dig into this box. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. There are so many cool things in here. Our solar system is so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. Thank goodness. They sent me the number one essential item in any solar system. A gorgeous, beautiful star. Our star. The sun. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. I'm going to go ahead and put on this oven mitt really quick to hold it because it's a little too hot for me. How cool. Okay, guys, this was like the number one essential thing that we needed to get in this box. You might even say that the solar system revolves around this one item. It's the sun. You might be thinking to yourself, Miss Epi, why are you so obsessed with the sun? And I'm saying, why aren't you obsessed with the sun? Because it's great, okay? This bad boy is made up of two major elements. So there's a lot of ingredients and elements in the sun, but the two main ingredients are hydrogen and helium that make up this beautiful sun. Look at it like shimmer. Wow, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. It is so, so important. All that weather that we've been spending so much time learning about, that's possible because of this guy right here. Photosynthesis. Couldn't happen without sun here. So basically, we would not exist without this beautiful sun. Every solar system has an essential star. Some have two, and ours has this beautiful one. It's about middle-aged. I think it looks really good for middle-aged. You look really good, son. Okay, so I'm so excited. Let's get into the rest of what's in here, though. This is so fun. Okay, so we got the sun, right? It's kind of crazy because I feel like everything is almost like being pulled by the sun. Like there's some sort of like force. It's like invisible force that the sun is just kind of the center of. Maybe almost like gravity or something. It's wild. Okay, so what else do we have in here? Oop, 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 oop. This one's a little hot too, but that's okay. I think I can handle it. Look how cute. So we're getting into the planets. I ordered the box that has all 8 major planets, okay? So here's our first one, and we're going to go through all of them because I love the planets. So this is Mercury, cute, cute, closest to the sun. They're nice and tight, the sun and Mercury. Surprisingly, though, not the hottest. We'll get to that one in a second, and I'll talk to you about why it is the hottest. The Mercury has a molten core, kind of like a chocolate lava cake from the Cheesecake Factory, right? And also, like I said, even though it's the closest to the sun, it is the second hottest planet. So that's little baby Mercury. Then we've got one of my faves. Ooh, I'm going to have to put the oven mitt back on for this one. This is a hot one. The hottest of the planets. This is probably one of my favorite planets. Venus! Look how pretty. It's often called our sister planet. And besides Earth, I would say that it's probably my favorite. So the reason, even though it's second from the sun, that it's the hottest is because of its really, really thick, dense atmosphere. So Venus actually has, or its atmosphere is made up of about 96% carbon dioxide, which creates that massive greenhouse effect. So it has wildly hot temperatures. We know that we have a greenhouse effect on Earth, but our atmosphere is less than 1% carbon dioxide. So imagine 96% of the atmosphere is carbon dioxide. It is hot up in her, okay? They've tried to send rovers here. They've tried to land things here to see the surface of Venus, and we have a little bit of footage, but very little because a lot of it, all the equipment, everything just kind of burns up when it gets there because it's so hot. And a really fun fact about Venus is, that its year is actually shorter than a day on Venus. Whoo, wrap your minds around that one, okay? So a year we know is defined by the orbit, how long it takes to go around the sun and its revolution. So it takes a shorter amount of time to go around the sun than it does to turn on its axis and to rotate. So a day on Venus is actually 243 days, but a year on Venus is 225 days. And by days, I mean Earth days. When I say days, I mean Earth days. Because we're on Earth, so we compare everything to Earth, okay? Speaking of Earth, that's next. Okay, I think I can take this mitt off now. Beautiful. Okay, whoever designed this Earth was a little bit off. I don't know who did it, but that's okay. The point is we can see the beautiful blue. This is called the blue planet. Y'all, this is where we live. This is our home planet. Can you believe it? We live here. I love it. We have so much to thank for this planet, but probably the number one thing is that beautiful, amazing molecule, H to the O, baby, water, blue planet. Planet with liquid water covering 70%. That is amazing. And the reason why we have so much life on this planet. So we've got the lithosphere, right? We have gorgeous mountains. We have canyons. That's all of the rock on Earth. We have this amazing little atmosphere. It's a little teeny tiny atmosphere. It's very thin layer. It keeps us cozy and warm, but not too warm like Venus. We don't need that, okay? We have the gorgeous hydrosphere that allows for life to exist, which allows us to have our biosphere. We are a part of the biosphere on this planet. We live here. Who doesn't love this? Now, the box I ordered did not come with the moons, okay? Because that was an upgrade. And, I just didn't have the money for it. All right? So, didn't get the moons. Love the moons. We have our moon, or, satellites, as they call them. So, our satellite we call the moon. And we love the moon. Fun fact about the moon, we always are seeing the same side of it. The reason that different parts light up on different days, right? We have a full moon, new moon, crescent moon, all of that. The reason that we have different, we see different light of the moon, we're not seeing it turn. It's not rotating on an axis. We're always seeing the same side, but because of the relationship with the sun and where the Earth is and where the moon is, that's why sometimes we see it illuminated differently. And we're going to learn so much about that this unit. I'm so excited. So that's the moon, but let's dig in and see what else is in here. Okay, next planet. Mars. Look at this red beauty. Oh my gosh, look at shimmering a little bit. This is beautiful. I feel like Mars gets kind of a weird reputation, a little bit of drama. If you ever heard of a Martian, that's where that comes from. That's like being an alien from Mars. So for a long time, it has a relationship with sci-fi, and a long time people thought that there was maybe life on Mars. There's even still studies saying that there was previous life on Mars, and it's sticking in the drama now, even with NASA trips, and we have been exploring this planet, maybe in the future even inhabiting this planet. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, let's get into, we're getting bigger now, okay? We are getting bigger. This one's heavy. Oh, it's huge. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited we got this in our box. Jupiter! Look at this amazing planet. Oh my God, this is for sure the largest planet. I don't know how they fit all of these in this box. You could actually fit 317 Earths inside of Jupiter. Now, this box isn't to scale. That would have been like a whole shipping cost issue. But IRL, you could fit 317 Earths inside of Jupiter, so that's pretty crazy. Also, Jupiter, speaking of shipping, Jupiter has 37 moons. I didn't get the moon package, remember, so we don't have them, which is kind of a bummer. Some of the first moons were discovered by Galileo on Jupiter, so that's pretty cool. We'll learn about the history of astronomy in this unit. We'll learn about some famous astronomers and some of the artifacts that are so important to astronomy, like the telescope. So that's Jupiter. This is a storm that is brewing on Jupiter all the time, this big spot right here. Crazy, big, love it. Next, one that likes to show off a little bit. I mean, like, how gorgeous. Okay, are you kidding me? Is it this way? Or is it this way? This way? This way? Sure. It doesn't matter. Look how gorge. Are you kidding me? I'm obsessed. These rings are flawless. These are beautiful. People love these rings. Now, some of our other planets have rings too, but you can't really see them very well. Saturn, though, has these gorgeous, gorgeous rings. And I'm going to kind of go through these next planets pretty quickly because there's other stuff in this box, and this is a long unboxing. So we've got Saturn, known for its gorgeous rings. It also has a moon. I almost splurged on the moon package for Saturn's moon, my favorite moon, Titan, which is so cool. We'll learn about Titan this unit because we have to, because I love it. And then we'll hit up the other two planets really quick as well. These are also considered gas giants. We have this beautiful milky blue planet. This is called Uranus. That is how Neil deGrasse Tyson pronounces it, so that is how we pronounce it. Okay, it's Uranus. Gorgeous. Like, look at the shimmer. Beautiful gas giant. Way out there in the solar system. And the last of the 8 official planets, another beauty, is Neptune. I love the name of it. It's gorgeous. It has this like really rich royal blue color. And it's the last official planet, okay? It's very moody. It has storms a lot as well, like Jupiter, kind of like a storm raging all the time. So those are our major 8 planets. I'm obsessed with this box. I love all the things that... There's some more stuff in here too. Oh my God, they threw in some bonus solar system stuff. Okay, this is a bag of dwarf planets. Now, if you were thinking, Miss Seppi, you forgot Pluto. Y'all, I did not forget Pluto. It's in here. It's a dwarf planet. So if, wait, here it is. Oh, cute. Look at, that's Pluto. So dwarf planets are a little different than regular planets. They're defined by the fact that the one thing that makes them different from regular planets is that they can't clear the space around them. So their gravitational pull isn't quite strong enough to kind of like clear the space around them. So technically I think there's 5 or 6 categorized dwarf planets, but they're working to categorize like hundreds more. So there's like hundreds of these little guys, okay? These are just like the official ones. So the reason I don't include Jupiter as a planet Pluto as a planet you definitely need to know is because then I'd have to ask you to know all of the dwarf planets, and I don't think you want me to do that. But memorize them if you want. Go for it. So those are our dwarf planets. They also gave me an asteroid. Wicked. An asteroid is basically essentially a space rock. We have a ton of them in between Mars and Jupiter. We have all these asteroids right in between. We call it the asteroid belt. And that's kind of right in between your terrestrial planets and your gas planets. So just like in the middle of your waist, you wear a belt. In the middle of our solar system, we have an asteroid belt, and it's made up of a lot of these big old rocks that they're trying to mine and use for the resources that are on them. We also have a cute little comet, okay? A comet is often described as like a dirty snowball, all right? It's very similar to an asteroid and a meteor, but it's mostly icy. A famous comet is Halley's Comet. And then the last thing they gave me is a meteoroid. So funny story about a meteoroid. It has 3 different names. If it is in space and it is just a space rock, and it can be small, it can be big, it just depends. When it's in space, it's called a meteoroid, okay? Then when it enters Earth's atmosphere and it burns up in our atmosphere, we call it a meteor. But also you might know it as a shooting star. So if you see like a meteor shower, which I will be giving you guys, if there's any meteor showers happening during this unit, I will definitely let you know, and we can go out in the middle of the night and watch them from our own houses, but we'll all be watching the meteor showers. But I'll have to check and see if there's any, who knows. And then if it actually hits Earth, where'd my Earth go? Here it is. If it actually hits Earth, boop, then we call it a meteorite. So it has 3 different names depending on where it's at, which sounds crazy, but like I have 3 different names depending on where I am. If I'm at home with my parents, I'm Elizabeth. If I'm out with my friends, I'm Lizzie. If I'm at school, I'm Miss Seppi. So depending on where I am, I have different names. So I'm a lot like a meteor, meteorite, meteoroid. It's all the same. Okay, guys, I'm literally so obsessed with this box. amazing. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me during this unboxing and unboxing all of these solar system goodies. This has been so much fun. I am so excited to get into this unit with you, to learn more and more about all of these planets, learn more about our beautiful planet, to learn about the relationship between the sun and the earth and the moon, the seasons, the phases of the moon. We're going to do it all. I can't wait. It's going to be a really fun unit. So join me next time for a different unboxing. I've ordered an animal cell. I may be unboxing that soon. Who knows? Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.